Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of, is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros, and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
How to grow a mailing list. Date, Saturday, January 15th, 2024. Dear friend, if you would like to grow a mailing list rapidly, this crazy secret technique is the most powerful thing I have ever witnessed. It's like adding fuel to a rocket. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Sawabi and I am a full-time online marketer dedicated to helping individuals like yourself supercharge their email lists. With my experience and guidance, you will gain access to this secret technique that has already helped countless people achieve remarkable results. Imagine effortlessly attracting a flood of engaged subscribers who are genuinely interested in what you have to provide, and watch your email list grow exponentially while enjoying the freedom and flexibility of being a digital nomad. I could not explain my excitement when I stumbled upon this mind-blowing technique that will rapidly grow your mailing list and attract more people to join your funnel. Some people laughed when they first heard about it. They doubted its effectiveness and even questioned my credibility as a digital nomad helping others grow their mailing lists. But let me assure you, their skepticism could not be further from the truth. This secret technique has been tried and tested by numerous individuals who were initially skeptical, but quickly became amazed by its results. It is not some gimmick or empty promise, it is a proven thing that can add newly targeted leads. I want you to embrace it, give it a try and see for yourself how it can rapidly grow your email list without any effort on your part. You are just curious how this magic button or technique, you name it, can skyrocket your email list and help your business thrive. With just a single thing, you will watch your email list of subscribers grow exponentially. By placing this button strategically, you will capture new email subscribers like never before. Can you imagine the potential a mailing list holds for your business? It is not just about sending out newsletters or promotions, but rather building a community of loyal customers who are excited to hear from you. Here is what a mailing list can do for you: drive traffic, build a relationship, drive sales, and boost conversions, and earn you continuous stream of income. So, why wait? Start building your customers list and make the most out of your responsive subscribers. Once you watch a few sales start pouring in, you will dream to grow a big list to achieve outstanding results. Imagine creating value and people click that button to join your funnel quickly and easily today, tomorrow, and for years to come without any effort on your part. What do I mean by that? I mean something you can set up once and then sit back and watch as it automatically sends out a stream of high-quality leads to your business, without any additional effort from you. How cool is that? This comprehensive offer provides you with step-by-step guidance on leveraging a powerful platform to generate a steady stream of traffic. We also unveil a secret technique that will help you build a massive mailing list filled with eager subscribers. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.